Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome. Today we will program MEC 1653 in the Lenovo P50 model, and we will use programmer successor programmer base 2, as you can see. And I have connected the connection for JTAG. After making connection, we also need few jumpers in P50, as you can see here. First, second, third, and here is fourth. Four jumper we need to make. So after that, now I will connect the connection adapter. We have to give power, and these 5 connections here and 4 jumper. And one more thing I have to tell you, the JTAG reset signal is here. This resistor, one resistor remove from here to next. Now we will go to screen. MEC 1653 is detected properly. Now we will type memory type is flash. Read. Save file. You can rename it. You can also rename it from here. You can type the file name, and after that save. Now load file. This is the downloaded file, that is OK file. Select it and write. So it's done. Thank you very much for watching.